All right, y'all. So many hours later, trial and error and all that. This is what I ended up with. And I got about a dozen that I've actually put. You know what I'm going to do? I had some of the mixture that I mixed with the meat. I'm going to put some of that down up in there. Nothing but flavor, right? They ain't going to really be. Well, you know what? I got to put some, they're going to put some foil down in there. Remember the other ones I made, how I put whole tomatoes and all that in there? So, I think what I'm going to do is put a layer of foil. I'm just going to poke holes. And I mean, I'm going to put it in this, it's going to be in this thing, and you know, you could cook in this thing all night or whatever. I'm going to just poke holes. Because I don't want them to submerge in the water. I'm not really that good, honestly, with the, I'm going to show y'all what I did in my big pot. I'm going to show y'all. Because it's trial and error. I'm learning. But I'm going to be honest with y'all. They got a good flavor to them. I'm adding my own little seasonings to kick it up a notch. But they got a pretty good flavor. So, well, I think they want you to stand up, kind of stand them up like. So, and I'm trying to put the end, it's kind of, some of the ends folded like that. I'm trying to put that in there, like that. Let's see. I'll put that right there. Some of them I couldn't fold the ends. I look, this is my first time doing this, so it ain't perfect, but they got a good flavor to them. I sampled too, because I like I told y'all, I did these the ones that's got the end. And I'm gonna try to eventually stand them all up. I don't like it where the one end is left open. And I know a lot of people do them like that, but I like to close mine up. Because, I don't know. I just do, that's how I buy them. So I'm trying to get them like how I buy them. Boom. These that's got the twist on each end, I'm going to put them over here. But those that's got that folded up end, I feel comfortable letting them stand up. I think they'll be okay. But I'm proud, y'all. This is a long time coming. I've been working on this here for a week. I'm going to just keep it real with you. But remember, I work. I've been kind of busy. I had some projects at work, so I've been doing that. But I already seasoned this meat and stuff, so I wanted to go ahead and I got meat left. And I got a half a pack of masa, so if I decide to go ahead and do some more. I don't know when y'all going to see this. This is March the 12th. And I don't know when y'all gonna see it, because I ain't gonna be putting up 4 and 5 different videos showing the same stuff. And the good thing about putting it in here is that this thing it hold water, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's what they look like. And then they say, oh, you know what I did? Darn, I threw my corn husk away. They say I could have put those on top, but the ones I had left, shoot, I threw them away. I wasn't thinking, because I just got aggravated looking at them. I know some people, when they have tamales, they have, let's see if I can put some more water down. They have, they told me to wet a towel and put it across there. So that's what I'm going to do. Well, yeah. Well, I'll put that across there. So this is what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and put them on. I got them on 350 in this thing here. And like I said, I steamed them for 2 hours in my other pot over here. I'm going to show y'all what they look like.